Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning custom banners and buttons for your Google site with ease. By the end of this guide, your site will look more professional and eye-catching, even if you're just starting out. Let's start with banners. To make a custom banner, first design your image using any tool you like, such as Canva or Photoshop. Once your design is ready, upload it to your Google Drive. Then head over to your Google site, click on the header, and select Change Image to upload your banner. For a more immersive look, you can also use a full-width layout to make your banner span the entire page. This instantly gives your site a polished, professional appearance. Now, let's create custom buttons. For simple text links, Google Sites has a built-in button element under the Insert menu. Just add your text and link, and you're done. But if you want something more creative, design a custom button image using Canva or another design tool. Once it's ready, upload it to your Google Drive, insert it into your site, and link it to the desired page. This method gives you complete control over the style, colors, and overall look of your buttons. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can transform your Google site with personalized banners and buttons that really stand out. Start designing today and give your website the professional touch it deserves.